Hello, everybody. This is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I am here to do story time and a craft with you today. Remember that story time and a craft is now on Thursdays. Our kits are out for a full week beforehand so that you can come and grab one. Okay. Also want to encourage you to make sure you're looking at the calendar because we have a lot of fun stuff coming up. So we have 2 Story Walk story times coming up. Those will be the 20th of May. And we also have our SAP, our Summer Adventure program starting in June. And we have Bookmobile Day this Saturday, so lots of really fun things to do. Okay, make sure you're checking them out on the calendar. Okay, well, let's get started. We have a kind of new Storytime Hello song. We did it last week, so let's try it again, okay? Okay. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. Let's do our first verse again one more time. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. Hello, everybody. I'm so glad you're here. Hope you're having a good week. It's good to see you. Okay, well, our book today is a book called Everybody Says Meow. Everybody says meow. And it's by Constance Lombardo. She wrote the words for us. Okay? Everybody says meow. Does everybody say meow? Let's find out. Welcome to that magical time when everybody says meow. Are you ready? Do you think they're all going to say meow? Let's find out, okay? Oh, my pages are hard to turn. Sorry about that. Meow. Can you guys do it with me? Meow. This one, what's this one saying? Zzz. But everybody else is saying meow except woof. Oh no. No, no, no. Everybody does not say woof. Everybody says meow. Got it? Woof. Look at him. He's like, why would I say meow? Can you say meow? Woof. Please say meow. Woof. Meow. Woof. New plan. Everybody says meow. One guy says woof. Are we ready? Are you ready? Okay. Everybody ready? Meow. Say it with me, okay? Meow. Woof. What do we have right here? Ribbit. Ribbit. Oh no, what is that? Did somebody say ribbit? I'm going to close my eyes and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you count to 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, your eyes are closed? Okay, you can open them. When I open my eyes, no more ribbit. Are you ready? Close your eyes. 1, 2, ribbit. Oh, bummer. Oh, we still have a sleeping kitty here going, what's it saying? Another new plan. Everybody says meow. One says woof. And one says ribbit. Are you ready? You ready? Okay. Meow. Say it with me. Meow. And they all said meow. What does he say? Can I hear you? Woof. Ribbit. Quack, quack. Oh no. What do we have now? Yeah, you're right. We have a duck. Oh no. Did you just say quack? Any chance you could say meow? Quack. Is that your final answer? Quack. Okay. Welcome to that magical time when everybody says whatever they want. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Woof. Ribbit. Quack. Should we do it one more time? Let's do. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Woof. Ribbit. Quack. What does it say? Do you know what that says? Roar! Oh no, what is it? Where did they all go? They went to hide, didn't they? Was it something I said? And that was everybody says meow. Okay, now we have a little song we can do about some kittens, and I believe there probably were 5 in that story. I didn't count them, but let's find out. Now, do you guys have your kittens with you? Do you? Put them up. You should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little kittens. 5 little kittens standing in a row. They nod their heads at the children so. They run to the left, and they run to the right, and they stand up and stretch in the bright sunlight. But along comes a dog who's in for some fun. Meow! How those 5 little kittens run. Okay, get your kittens out. Let's do it again, okay? Okay. 5 little kittens standing in a row. They nod their heads at the children so. They run to the left. They run to the right. They stand up and stretch in the warm, bright sunlight. Along comes a dog who's in for some fun. Meow! How those 5 little kittens run. Okay, very good. Well, we're going to do our goodbye song. I'm going to have a new goodbye song for you today. Sorry if I'm mixing you up, but this one's pretty fun. So we're going to do our goodbye song, but it doesn't really mean goodbye. You know that. Because after we're done with our story time portion, then we are going to do our craft, okay? And I bet you know what we're going to make today. Okay? Are you ready? Wave high, wave low. I think it's time. We've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your tongue, blah, 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 and wave your nose. Wave your knees, Wave your lips. Blow a kiss with fingertips. Wave your ears. Wave your hair. Wave your belly and derriere. Wave your chin. Wave your eye. Wave your hand and say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Hang around for our craft. Okay, today we're going to make a little kitty like this, except your kitty's going to have a tail. Mine fell off. Okay, and everything to make this cute little kitty should be in your kit. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is always in your kit, isn't it? Okay, this says snap a pic. And caregivers, if you would take pictures of your children doing the craft, interacting with me during the story time, anything like that, we love, love, love to see pictures of you and of your children. So if you would send those to me at clearviewlibrary.org, or you can post them on social media and tag us, Clearview Library. We do love to use your photos for social media so that other people can see the fun things we do. Okay? So snap a pic. Okay. There's a long piece of paper. And there's a, what shape is that? There's a heart, isn't there? Yes. What else? Let's see. Oh, I think we have maybe an ear. Are there two of those? 2 ears. Okay. And a tail. That's what my other kitty was missing. And I found one pink inner ear. Let's see if I find another one. Oh, there we go. Look. I found a little teeny triangle that's a nose. Okay. And I did find another ear, inside ear. And I found, very important, 2 googly eyes. Okay. So that's all of your supplies to make your kitty. So first thing you're going to do is glue your black paper into a circle. Hopefully you have some glue with you. Hopefully if you have glue with you, it will come out of the bottle. I always have trouble with that. So let's see. Okay, so we're going to put some glue on the end. Remember, I like to use lots of glue so things don't fall apart later. Okay? And then just make a circle and hold it with your fingers. Okay? Let's count to 10 while we're holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we go backwards and go back to 1? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, should be done. Now, you're going to fold it just a little bit somewhere back here. And that makes the back end of the kitty. And then somewhere up here, about there. Let's see. Does that look pretty good? It does, doesn't it? Okay. So, I like it if it bends forward a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now what should we glue on first? Maybe the head? Okay. So we have a heart right here, but we're going to put our heart upside down. Okay. And then we're going to put some glue on the back side of the heart, kind of near the bottom. Okay. Put plenty of glue on. Okay. There we go. It has glue on the back. And we're going to glue it right here for our cat's face. Okay. It's a little bit hard to see because everything is black because we have a good luck black kitty. Okay. And hold it and squeeze it for a minute. Probably won't take quite as long as it did to do the other parts. Okay, now you have 2 black ears and you're going to use your glue and glue a pink part to the inside of that ear. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to put some glue on it. Oh, I did it wrong. Which side should we put the glue on? We're going to put it on the front. That's okay. Because then we can glue it on the back side of our heart. Okay, let me show you what I did. There we go, one ear. We better get another one, don't you think? So we will get another black ear, put a little bit of glue in the inside, get another pink inner ear, glue it on. Let's see, we want to make it even at the bottom. There we go. And then we're going to put glue on the front side. There we go. And glue it to the back of the heart. And then just hold them up and see if you got them all straight. Do you think I have it straight? Pretty much, do you think? Okay. Now, we have two eyes and a nose. Okay? So I'm going to get some glue for my eyeballs. And I'm going to put the glue on the back side of that eyeball. And I like putting lots of glue on for eyeballs. Okay? And then we're going to put an eyeball on. Hold it in place a little bit. Okay? And then get your other eyeball. Okay? We'll glue it on next to the first one. And we'll move them around if we need to. Remember that that glue is going to dry clear. So it doesn't really matter if you can see it. What's the last thing we need to put on our kitty? It's not the last thing. Almost the last thing. Your little pink triangle for the nose. And I'm going to put it right there. Okay? And there we go. Now, what is the real last thing we're going to put on? The tail. That's right. So, now if you take your tail and you wrap it around your finger kind of gently and make a little circle. See how I made it into a little circle? What did it make our tail do? It made it curve, didn't it? We're going to put glue on the bottom. Remember to get lots of good glob of glue there. And then you can glue that to the back of your kitty. Can you see it? There we go. Now you can. Okay? There you go. Now, if you would like to add whiskers to your kitty, you might be able to use a white crayon, or you might even be able to use a pencil. That might show up really lightly if you use a pencil. So you can try that too. Okay? And then you can play with your little kitty. And remember that kitties say woof. No, they say meow. Okay? Have a good week, you guys. Hope to see you at some of the other events that we'll be having. And definitely hope to see you next week. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.